Okay, here's the video for True Forward. So when you go into Gmail, you'll see, after you install it, you'll see this little icon right here. Click that and it will ask you to grant permission. So click that and then pick your email address, and then it shows you what scopes it needs, which is the see, edit and create, delete Google Sheets, run as a Google Mail add-on, send email on your behalf, read, compose, and send emails from your Gmail account, and allow that application to run when you are not present. So just select all and then continue. It'll say authorization successful, and then you'll see the options here on the screen. So you'll be in the True Forward settings. So if you click an email, then it will show these buttons that you can set up. There's an automatic one sent to QuickBooks Receipts if you want to use that. You can also add additional one or forward to a custom one. So let's click to send this to abc@go.me, and then it says it forwarded to abc@go.me. So you can see in your sent email that it creates an email that just says forwarded message and adds the forwarded message to it. And you can see that it, let's see here, where is it? It's sent to abc@go.me. So, and then and all of those things work exactly the same. So if you can go into the settings, and then you can see these auto forward rules. You can also add more presets. You can say maybe my test at go.me, and and we'll put my test at go.me and the email address, and we can just add the preset, and it will add the preset there. So it does the same thing with these auto forward rules. What you do is you put it into a label, and then it immediately sends to, it sends within the next hour or so to the address you have set up for that. So let's add an auto forward rule. So we can pick a label that I have up here, True Forward /test. So we'll pick this True Forward /test. And then the address to forward to is abc@go.me. And we will add the rule. And then if we can go back to that test email again, right there, and we can move that into that label, True Forward Test, and then you'll see within an hour or so, it will automatically, actually it looks like it's, yeah, there it is. There it is in the label. So within the next hour or so, it checks every hour and sends whatever is in those rules. We can run all the rules right now. We can, and it forwarded one email. So it forwarded this email, and we can see it. Oops, in the sent emails, we can see that it created this message to abc@go.me, which is the address that we had said for that label, and added the address or the email to it that was in there. So no, that was email, test email. Then there was another one because it isn't a valid email address. But so there you go. I hope that shows everything to you. I've tried to be specific. It creates the email, it sends the email. And those are the two scopes. So thank you. Have a great day. Bye-bye.